Hi guys, welcome back. Today is 23rd March 21. It's day 4 and week 9 of our live trading series. You can see in the right side window, Sensex is up by almost 150 point. India VIX is up by almost 3%, which is not a good sign for the market. And Bank Nifty is up by almost 200 point and Nifty 50 is up by almost 50 point. And you can see in the middle window I have bought 34,005 sold at 34,500 put 4 lot and bought 33,500 put 4 lot. It's a bullish strategy. I made that position yesterday, so I don't think I should change my position. And you can see in my M2M it shows almost 4,000. If market move up, that will increase my profit. So let's see what will happen till the closing time. You can see in the middle window, guys, in my M2M it started increasing because market is moving up. And now the current time is 11 a.m. and you can see my M2M is it's almost 20,000. And you can see in the right side window in Bank Nifty is about almost 600 point. So I think I should square off my position because I made a profit. So you should take profit when you are in profit. So that's why I'm just squaring off my position and making a new position. Now I have bought 34,500 put 2 lot, then sold 33,500 put 6 lot, then bought 32,500 put 4 lot. It is a ratio butterfly, or you can say advanced butterfly, and the ratio is 132 and the maximum profit is 50,000 and the loss would be 50,000 minus the costing. So let's see what will happen till the closing time, guys. So please keep watching. Thank you so much. Hi guys, welcome back. Now the current time is 3:10 and it's a closing time of the market. You can see in the right side window, Bank Nifty is up by almost 570 points. So I think I should scale off my position and make a new position. So now I have changed my position and now I have 34,500 put to lot, then sold 33,700 put 6 lot, then bought 32,900 put 4 lot. It is also a ratio butterfly and the ratio is also the same, is 3132, and the maximum profit in that strategy would be 40,000 and the loss would be 40,000. I have just changed the gap there, and before I have 1000 gap and now it is 800 gap. So that's all for today guys. So I think I should carry that position for tomorrow. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. So please keep watching guys. Thank you so much.